aquatic life. We all know that water is a very precious resource. Water bodies are home to different types of plants and animals. Aquatic animals. Different varieties of fish and other creatures such as crabs, dolphins, whales, crocodiles, swans and turtles live in water. These aquatic animals have special features that allow them to breathe and survive in water. Fishes have streamlined bodies that help them to swim through water. They breathe through organs called gills and they have fins on their sides that help them change direction while swimming. Fishes are vertebrates that live in seas and oceans and also in freshwater bodies like ponds, lakes, and rivers. Vertebrates are organisms that have a backbone or a spinal cord. There are some fishes that swim in groups for safety. Such groups of fishes are called a school or a shoal of fish. There are also aquatic mammals like dolphins and whales. They have both gills and lungs. They breathe through their gills when they are underwater and with their lungs when they are on the water surface. They give birth to their young ones. Some other aquatic mammals are seals, sea lions, and walruses. There are animals with shells on their bodies such as crabs, prawns, snails, and turtles. The shell is a hard and protective covering. Turtles have flippers that help them to move forward through water by paddling. Amphibians are animals like frogs and toads that can live both on land and in water. They breathe through their lungs on land, while in water they breathe through their moist skin. They lay their eggs in water. The little ones live in water till they grow into adults. Water birds like pelicans, herons, ducks and geese live in water. They are seen spending most of their time swimming in water. They eat fish and other insects that are found in water. These birds have webbed feet that help them walk, stand, and swim in water. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. They can be of three types: submerged plants, fixed plants, and floating plants. Submerged plants. Submerged plants, as the name suggests, grow under the water surface. They have roots that are fixed to the bed of the water body and sponge-like stems that float in water. These plants have thin and narrow leaves. They absorb carbon dioxide from water and keep the water clean. The leaves of these plants have large surface areas so that they can absorb maximum sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Some examples of submerged plants are ferns, stargrass, and vallisneria. Fixed plants. Lotus and water lily are fixed plants. Their stems are fixed to the base of the pond. Their leaves are round and big, and their stems are light and hollow. Their stomata are located on the upper side of the leaves so that they can take in air. Their flexible stems move with the flow of water, and so they do not get damaged by water currents. Their leaves have a waxy coating that prevents them from rotting. Floating plants. Floating plants have their roots, leaves, and flowers floating on the surface of the water. Nutrients are absorbed directly from water. Some examples of floating plants are the water hyacinths, pondweed, and duckweed.